Good early morning, everyone. This is going to be my second attempt trying to record this video because I screwed up my audio yesterday. I'm Stan, and today I wanted to make a quick video about my personal experience using the Mishimoto Oil Catch Can. And I don't want to spend time on explaining why should you buy a oil catch can or how to install it. There are plenty of videos out there that will tell you that better than I would do. I went with the Mishimoto Oil Catch Can because I chose convenience over price. You probably know by now that you can buy a oil catch can on eBay, or you can build it yourself, build a bracket, add hoses, and that's gonna be it. So I didn't have time or space, so I went with an existing setup. So about the catch can itself, well, it's well built, it's doing its job. I can't say much about the way it looks because it's hidden underneath and it's mounted to transmission, so you won't really see it when you open up the hood. A quick tip on installation though: when you install the oil catch can, make sure your clamps do not rub against any wiring. That caused me a check engine light. To be honest, it seems like the serviceability of this particular oil catch can might be a reason why it's not all that popular, although I wouldn't say it's that bad. I don't have too many tools, so I'm using the jack that comes with the car and a regular set of tools, and with all that I'm spending maybe 20 minutes total to empty the catch can. You could probably reduce that time significantly if you would use a hydraulic jack, because you would lift up the car much faster. So in the beginning, it might be hard to justify spending $200 on something that will not give you a visual appearance improvement. It won't make your car faster, or it doesn't really mean that the car will stop working if you're not installing it. And I've seen many comments on ST forums about cars that exceeded easily 100,000 miles without any issues and without the oil catch can. My friend's GTI has many upgrades on it except for an oil catch can, and he's over 80,000 miles right now and has no issues. Everything is running strong and he's happy with the car. My first video on this channel was about his car, so check it out. With all that said, 7,000 miles ago when I installed the Mishimoto Oil Catch Can, and having a little bit over 5,000 miles on the clock, I've noticed how dirty were the valves. Also, I was averaging 22 miles per gallon regardless of how I was driving. Now my average is 27 plus miles per gallon, and I'm pretty happy with that. So next time you want to buy a blow-off valve for your ST, just buy a catch can first. So hit the like button because you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.
Votre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, il est toreros.
So hit the like button because you found this video helpful. So hit the like button